Let's talk about fetuses and the development of said fetuses. Pretty much at 3 weeks, your brain starts happening. The neural plate is made, right? And the neural plate is the precursor to all of your brain. It's just basically where the cells differentiate and become neurons, which are the things that make your brain. That's at 3 weeks, and that's coming directly from 2006 article, MRI of normal fetal brain development. Okay, so then time goes on. After 8 weeks, the neural plate develops into the 5 big parts of the brain necessary for function outside of the womb. The cerebrum, cerebellum, brainstem, pituitary gland, and hypothalamus. All of these controlling thinking and motor control, heart rate, breathing, metabolism, emotions, all these things are being developed. And that's just in the first trimester, right? So by week 8, you're already kind of developed, and billions of nerves are being produced, and right. So that's the second. So that's the first trimester, and then at the second trimester, the fetus actually starts moving. It actually starts having some natural reflexes. And you can tell this because at around 18 weeks, the baby starts kicking. And it wouldn't be possible to kick if you didn't have your cerebellum all set up. So without just the MRIs, like in February 2014, quantifying and modeling tissue maturation in the living human fetal brain, just without MRI, it's clear to see the cerebellum developing. So we have dreaming, we have sleeping around 28 weeks. So that's just brainwave activity that's there. And then in the third trimester, all the brain is doing at that point is just growing. So the brain is, in the womb, is pretty much just tripling in size. Neurons are being made super fast, right? When you make one, from 1 you get 2, from 2 you get 4, from 4 you get 8, so on and so forth. It's a big old exponential function, basically. So around that time, a lot of the energy is just being forced into the brain, so that upon birth, the baby can function. Right. Let's see what else we got here. What else is pretty important to know about the development? These are all confirmed by MRI studies and ultrasounds, and yeah, that's brain development. Thanks for listening.